Want to make a restaurant quality meal at home? This juicy garlic butter salmon, crispy Parmesan smashed potatoes, and buttery sautéed spinach is the ultimate combo. It's quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Stick around. Let's cook together.
Get ready to tantalize your taste buds.
Now for the ingredients, we need 3 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, freshly ground black pepper, and 2 teaspoons Old Bay. For the honey garlic butter sauce, we're using 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. For the garlic butter sautéed spinach, we'll need 5 ounces of spinach, as well as 4 minced garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons butter. For the crispy garlic Parmesan smashed potatoes, we need 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half teaspoon paprika, 3 tablespoons butter, half teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 4 garlic cloves, and half teaspoon black pepper. Now that we have all our fresh ingredients ready, let's turn this into something delicious. Alright, and we'll start by getting our salmon nice and clean. We did check to see if there were any remaining scales, wash it in some lemon water. And now we're pat drying to ensure that our seasoning will stick. So to our bowl, we did combine both seasonings together, and then we're going to use a patting technique, guys, to lock in all those seasonings and flavor, topped with some freshly ground black pepper. And we'll turn to the other side and do the same thing as well, because layers of flavor is what we are about. Now to season the sides of the salmon, what you could do is just rub it on the board to take up any leftover seasoning that's there, just like that. Alright, now while that is marinating, we're going to go ahead and clean our potatoes with a nice clean abrasive cleaner. You know, we rinse the skin because we're not going to peel these at all. Alright, and to the pot they go. We're going to add some salt water, bring this to a boil, and when they're far tender, it's gonna be smashing time. In the meantime, while our potatoes are boiling, we are searing our salmon in the 2 tablespoons olive oil. We did add garlic clove for extra flavor, and look at that, guys. After 3 to 4 minutes on each side, they were nice and ready. Now salmon is cooked at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and by the time you know it, oh yeah, they are nice and far tender. So while we take this salmon out, we're going to allow those potatoes to cool. And look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Now while those potatoes are cooling, we're working on our ingredients for our sauce. Alright, and there we are, mincing the garlic cloves, getting nice and fine, regular shape. Alright, just like that. By the time you know it, it's gonna be time to get sizzling, okay? Alright, and to the bowl they go. Up next, we're also prepping those garlic clove as well. Mince them through this garlic crusher for our crispy garlic Parmesan potatoes. Now for the savory garlic Parmesan butter blend, we're just combining all those ingredients that I showed you earlier. So the melted butter, the olive oil, the paprika, oh yeah, the little salt, the black pepper, and the minced garlic, guys. And we're just gonna give this a nice good stir to combine. Alright, and by the time you know it, it's smashing time. This feels so satisfying. So you can crush with a fork or with your potato crusher, at least about a 1/2 inch thickness thereabout. Alright, and up next we're going to brush with this golden butter goodness. Alright, and just like that, get each piece a nice little coat. Alright, and up next we'll sprinkle with the Parmesan cheese, guys, and we'll bake these until they're nice and crispy. They're about 15 minutes or more depending on what you desire. Alright, and right now, guess what we're doing? We're making our garlic butter sautéed spinach. So to the pan we added the garlic herb butter. Give it a quick saute, and by the time you know it, it's ready. All right, up next is our sauce. We've added the butter, followed by the minced garlic, and we're just stirring this just to release all those flavor. Up next is the honey, and guys, oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this right now, because oh my gosh, this smells so good. This aroma is something to talk about, I tell you. In now with a little spice, with that crushed pepper. All right, up next is a little soy sauce, and we're giving it a good little stir, and by the time you know it, it was time to add these lovely pieces of seared salmon. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, don't you just want to dig in? Look at that sauce. Full of flavor, I tell you. Now this could be the perfect meal for Valentine's Day. You may never know. Okay, now tell me in the comments below your favorite sauce to have with salmon. Okay, all right, and look at that. Oh my goodness, my favorite is sweet chili, but I guess I've found a new favorite with this honey garlic butter sauce. Oh my goodness. And just like that, we've created the ultimate restaurant quality meal at home. Look at this perfectly seared garlic butter salmon. Oh my gosh, guys. Coming up next is the crispy golden Parmesan smashed potatoes, followed by our buttery garlicky sautéed spinach. Fresh, vibrant, and full of flavor. Trust me, this is a meal you have to try. Now let's add a few more touches, those fresh parsley and that beautiful sauce. Now, who's ready to dig in? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to cook salmon. And if you try this recipe, tag me and let us see how it went, okay? I'd love to see your creations. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Thank you for cooking with me today, and enjoy! Don't forget, link down below our links to our other YouTube channels and also my Amazon storefront. Toodles!